Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to discuss with you how to download Zoom, install it, and create a meeting request for the first time. So if you are new to Zoom, I think this video will be of a great help to you. So if you want to download Zoom, so what you need to do is just to go to Google and then you can tap download Zoom or just type Zoom or you just click Zoom download. So I have the second link here which I'm going to just right click and let me open this in a new tab. So by opening the Zoom in a new tab, you can see we have two options. So here we have the options to actually we can download the Zoom client for meeting, or we can download the Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook, which will allow you actually, if you are using Outlook, if Outlook is installed on your device and you want to create a meeting through your Outlook, you can decide to just click on, there will be a Zoom plugin in Outlook which will allow you to just click the Zoom and automatically a meeting will be scheduled using Zoom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually download both, but you also have the option to actually join a meeting. You can as well host a meeting here with video, or you can sign in, which of course by signing in you have other options to download the download button here. We also download for IT. You can see we can download the MSI file as well to actually install using group policy and other like or Intune as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on download. Let me just click download. Let me download this so you can see it's been downloaded. So I'm also going to download a second one as well. So it's also been downloaded. So the Zoom installer has been downloaded. So let me just click on the three double dot there and show in folder. So when I show in folder, you can see that the Zoom has been downloaded. It's about almost 14 megabytes application. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click this file. So it's just trying to initialize. So I'm going to click yes. If you're not an administrator on that device, you'll be requested to enter your password, enter your username and password to install the Zoom. So you can see right now the Zoom has been installed. It goes very fast, and the Zoom is trying to open for the first time. You can see here we say the Zoom has been opened for the first time. So we have two options. The first option is join a meeting. So if someone has sent you a request, you can just click join a meeting here, or if you are new to Zoom, you can as well click the sign in to actually create an account which will allow you to sign in for the first time. So we have the option here to actually sign into Zoom, or you can sign up for free account if you don't have an account. If you already have an account with Zoom, you can just enter your password here. Or you can sign in with a Google account if you have one, sign in with Facebook, or you can sign in with a single sign-on. The sign in with a single sign-on actually will be provided by your company if you are working in an enterprise environment or you're working for a company and they have license to use the Zoom. So you're going to be actually provided with the single sign-on which will actually sync with your Active Directory. So I'm going to create sign up for free because I don't have an account right now. I'm just doing it as if maybe you are new to Zoom. So you say, please, for verification, please confirm your date of birth. So I'm going to enter my date of birth here and click continue to sign in. So you can as well do the same. I'm not going to make this video very long because if not, by showing you all this information, it's going to take some time. So I have signed into Zoom right now. So let me just click continue because I've entered my login name and password. So you can see I have been redirected to the Zoom homepage. And here we have the Zoom homepage. So we have about four options here, which in the main homepage, which is the new meeting, join, scheduled, and share screen. So here in the options, new meeting, we have the option to actually create a meeting and just start the meeting with a video, or we can use our personal meeting ID. Or we can join a meeting which someone has invited us to actually join a meeting. We can, if someone invited us, we can join the meeting by clicking this. Then we have to enter the meeting ID or a personal link name, and here my name will be entered, and it says do not connect to audio. I can click this as well and then join. I can also schedule a meeting myself, and I can say, okay, I want to schedule a Zoom meeting. I'll give this meeting a name, and I'm going to click the date. The start date will be like today or tomorrow, which is Friday, and I can schedule the duration of the meeting is going to be like 1 hour, and I can say that the meeting is going to be from like 5:30, or I can just put 6 o'clock as well. So I can say, well, we can record a meeting if we want, but we can just say the meeting is just for once. So meeting ID will be generated automatically, or I can personalize my meeting ID if I want. Here's been the security, the passcode that will be sent to the user, and it's going to be in a waiting room. So you can say the video has been turned off. We can put the video on, and the participants also video will be, we can put this on, and here you can see it's going to be updated in Outlook as well. So here I can just click save to save this meeting if I want to invite someone. But right now, no one has been actually been invited for this meeting. So I can go to the advanced option as well. I can say allow participant to join anytime. We can mute participant upon entry, and we can automatically record meetings on the local computer if you want. But automatically recording a meeting, I will advise you to actually request the consent of your partner and tell them that you want to actually record the meeting before you can actually record a meeting. So we can just click save. You can see that the meeting is being saved right now. So here you can see that the meeting is being saved. So what we can do, let me just go back to my Outlook. So you can see that the meeting is being saved right now. So what we can do, we can decide to actually invite someone to join this meeting. So let's say I want to invite someone, the name of, let me just use Messi Robot to join this meeting, and I can as well add Simon James to actually join this meeting as well. So here we can see the location of the meeting. We can decide to just, well, remove this and just put let me just put remote as well. Remote. So we can say, okay, Kelvin is inviting you to schedule a Zoom meeting. So the participant is going to receive this email with the join Zoom meeting, and this is the meeting ID and the password. So you can see that my meeting, the time of my meeting is from 6 to 7, which is just 1 hour meeting. So let me just click send. So I have sent a meeting request to Messi and Simon. So let me go to my second computer and show you the email account of Messi Robot. So if I go to the computer of Messi Robot, here we can see that Messi have received an email, which is an invitation from me to join a Zoom meeting. So you can see that when if Messi let me just accept this meeting and send a response right now. Accept, you can see that Messi have accepted the meeting, and it has been sent Kelvin that Messi have accepted the meeting. So what I can do is, if I go to my, let me go to my calendar here, and you can see that is for tomorrow, and I double click on it. You can see that we can actually join the meeting right now. So let me go back again to Kelvin. You can see that Kelvin received an email that Messi have accepted his request to join the meeting. So let me try to open the meeting from my from Kelvin's computer and see. So here we're going to open Zoom. So because I've already installed Zoom on this device, so I'm going to go actually join with the computer audio. So it says asking me to if I want to join next time with the computer audio, but let me just join with the computer audio. You can see, so you are using the computer audio, but right now I'm the only one in this meeting right now. So what is going to happen is I'm going to go to the other computer. Let me go to my other device. So let me go to my other device and try to join in to that meeting. So mind you, Messi does not have Zoom installed on his device, just like Kelvin did. So I'm going to use the web browser for his meeting request. So let me just double click on this. So I'm going to use, let me use the Microsoft Edge. So you see your download will start in a few seconds. So it's asking what do you want to do. So I want to just run it now. So we can see that it's trying to install Zoom on this device, but we can actually launch the meeting using the web as well. So here is I'm being requested to actually enter my name. So I'm going to enter my name since I'm not Kelvin. I'm going to enter Messi and I'll say join meeting. So it says to use Zoom, you need to agree to the terms of service and policy. Just click agree, and it's trying to connect to the meeting. You can see please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. So let me go back again to Kelvin, and you can see that Messi entered the meeting room. So it's asking me to admit, so I'm going to admit. So when I admit, well, let me go back again to the computer of Messi. You can see that Messi is trying to connect right now to join the meeting. And you can see, let me join with the computer audio. So if I go back again to my computer here, you can see that right now there are two people in this meeting. So let me try to share a screen. Let me just share my screen. Let me share a whiteboard so that Messi can as well see what I'm sharing. Share. So right now I'm sharing my whiteboard. You can see we have two participants. So when I click there, you can see we have Kelvin and Messi. So let me cancel this and just try to write something. So if I go to Messi's computer, you can see that Messi is actually seeing my screen. So let me go back again to Kelvin. Here we have the option. I can decide to cancel what I'm sharing right now, or I can stop sharing as well. So if I stop sharing, I go back again to Messi's computer. You can see that Messi is not seeing what I'm sharing anymore. So Messi can decide to just leave this meeting by clicking here, just click cancel, and I'm going to leave the meeting right now. It's asking me, are you sure you want to leave the meeting? And I'll say yes, I want to leave this meeting, and I will be, I will left, I've left the meeting. So let me go back into to Kevin's computer. So let me try to install the Zoom plugin. So let me just go to showing folder and install the Zoom Outlook plugin on this device. So let me click next, 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 and yes. So I've installed the Zoom Outlook plugin and I've restarted Outlook. So by restarting Outlook, you can see that we now have a plugin here actually. So you can see I can decide to start an instant meeting of Zoom. Let me just trying to connect. So here I can start an instant meeting with Zoom, or what I can as well do, let me just end the meeting. We can decide to close this, schedule a new meeting as well. You can see that the Zoom is being, let me just accept the default option that was given to me. Click save. And you can see here we have the option to actually join the meeting. So when I send this email to someone who is required to join this meeting, they can join this meeting by just clicking the ID and using this password as well. So by clicking on this link, they will automatically join the Zoom meeting. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well share my video if you think this video will be of great help to someone else. Leave a comment, send me an email. I'm going to leave my email below this video. You can send me an email or go to my LinkedIn profile and check out my profile. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel once more and see you next time. Bye.